Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily send automated messages on Slack. So, all you have to do is head over to slack.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, select the specific channel or group in which you want to send automated messages. Say, for example, we're going to choose this channel. Then next, just click on the three dot icon or the More Actions button, then click on Add a Workflow. Just a reminder that this feature is part of the paid subscription on Slack, but you can enjoy this for 30 days if you sign up as a new account. So from here, we're going to want to start a new automated message and customized message. And to do that, just click on Create a Workflow. So from here, we're just going to customize the workflow by choosing an event first. So say for example, the trigger will be when a person joins a channel. Then we're just going to select the channel earlier, then continue. Then once the trigger is made, these things will happen. Just click on add steps. And from the quick steps, we're just going to select send a message to a channel. Select the specific channel. So we're going to choose the channel that the user joined and add in a message. Then once done, just head over and click on save, then finish it up. So we're just going to name this message, this workflow. Then once done, just head over and publish. So now every time a new person joins on that specific channel, the message that we customized earlier will be automatically be sent. So now going back to the channel, we're just going to try and add people on this channel. So say for example, we're going to add someone. And as you can see, the automated message has been automatically sent. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!